Welcome to Profile Sports TV. You can get your fan app downloaded here from Get the App. You just simply scroll down and choose which phone you want to use. It takes you right to the App Store. The important thing to remember, very important, is that it will ask you what club you want to belong to. You want to belong to the Profile Sports Club. So you'll do a search for Profile Sports, and that opens up all the games available at the Sporting Chance Center. Now, to watch videos on your PC, you simply go to Videos, and it's going to take you to this website where you can view the games organized by sport, venue, or which tournament that you played in. Right now, we're looking at the landing page. Our nice advertisers are all shown here. And if you slide down, you can see the games that are live. When you look under live events, these are the games that are coming up later today. You can also sort by sport, basketball, volleyball, or girls volleyball here. You can sort by venue if you know which location you're at. If all of your games are in one location, like Arena West, just click and you slide down and you'll see all the games scheduled today, in the future, and these are all the games that have played in the past. Here's how they look when they play. It'll launch with, tell you what time, date, and arena that they were in. You just push the big yellow button and you can watch your game. You can go to full view and back. And if you join, you'll have, as you can see, editing privileges, so you can actually make clips right from your PC. So enjoy Profile Sports however you want to view, whether it's on the app or the PC. Thanks for watching.